Today I'd like to talk to you about the rules and regulations pertaining to spreading livestock manure and how to prevent surface water quality issues. Before we get started, I'd like to share some tools that will help you mark out setbacks while in the field. Road cone stakes or flags may be useful for when marking out a setback area so you know where not to spread manure. A measuring wheel will help you know the proper distance. Probably the most important tool you can use is a nutrient management plan, which you can get from the farmer or the landowner before you start spreading manure. It is the job of the manure applicator to make reasonable judgment and take precautions to prevent surface water quality issues to nearby residences and public areas. All of this information can be found in the North Dakota Livestock Program Design Manual. If it is raining, land application of manure should not occur. The only time it is okay to apply during a rain event is if a catastrophic failure of a manure structure is about to occur. When applying manure, the applicator should not apply closer than 100 feet to any down-gradient surface waters, open tile line intake structures, sinkholes, agricultural wellheads, or other channels that may lead to surface water, unless a 35-foot wide vegetated buffer on which there are no applications of manure is used, or the facility's owner or operator demonstrates that a setback or buffer is not necessary based on alternative best management practices, also known as BMPs, or field-specific conditions will provide pollutant reductions equal to or greater than the reductions achieved by the 100-foot setback originally specified. When applying manure within a half mile of an occupied residence, a building, or a public area other than the landowner's residence, manure must be incorporated within 8 hours of application. While it is not the responsibility of the manure applicator, it is a good thing to remind your client about. Manure should not be applied to frozen ground, snow-covered, or saturated soil if there is a likelihood of runoff. Manure can be applied to frozen ground where runoff is not a concern. The slope is less than 6% and the snow is less than 8 inches deep. Spreading on stubble is also recommended. If you have questions pertaining to manure spreading setbacks, rules, or regulations, you can contact your local extension agent or the North Dakota Department of Environmental Quality.